I am so glad that we purchased this. This is a GFCI adapter, and it also is for a single outlet, grounded, 3-prong plug. It also has an auto reset, and what it does is it protects your tools and equipment. This adapter is for indoor use with power tools and appliances. It also has an auto reset function, automatically restores power after plug-in or when the power interrupts, and there's also frequent self-tests, which is really awesome, every 5 seconds versus 3 hours. It also has a fast response, detects leakage current, and cuts power within a 0.025 of a second, which is 25 milliseconds. There's also a tiny LED light that turns on so you know it's working. And also, look how small it is. Small enough to put in your toolbox or in your workshop. And all you do is plug this in and then plug in whatever tool that you need. Definitely recommend it. It's rated for 125 volts, and I'm really glad that we purchased it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.